How I do with that.
So did you know that they were going to do all this for your birthday?
Did I know what?
That they were going to do all this for your birthday.
Nobody told me about this.
Now, did you know it was your birthday yesterday?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And how old are you?
82.
82. Okay. Okay, Grammy. Well, I'm sure glad you had a birthday.
Lord?
Yeah. It gave us a nice little event today.
Give you a nice little what?
Event. This gave us a party to go to.
Little get together.
Yeah, a little get together.
Yeah, there you go. Boy, that looks good. Yeah.
They're fixing you one, I think.
Well, I'll fix it.
Yeah.
Get there and fix me one.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Start
fix
in.
me
We
one
don't,
too.
as you see, we don't wait. So get your
Yeah.
find a spot and then
Yeah. Hey, Laura didn't wait. We're not waiting.
jump out.
Thank you.